My sweet friend who owns this home gave me permission to show this little video that she made for my daughter and told me I had to do a voiceover if I was going to show it online. So here we are at the place, and there's the view, and this is the front. And over here, she's going to show the gondola that goes down into town in Breckenridge, right there, or goes up to the ski slopes. Unfortunately, it does not run the month of October, so we didn't get to ride it down to town or anything like that. There's the Jeep Scott and I rented in the driveway. And right now we're walking up to the front door, and she is going to take us a different route. Here's the fire pit with some great chairs and the hot tub, and we did use that. We come into this area here that's kind of open air, but you can lock it. And this is where you drop your skis and your boots and leave all the snow and slush and yucky stuff and come into the house clean. So that's really amazing. So here is a bathroom, full-size bath for the bunk room right here. She's got it decorated Indian style. It's so cute. She does everything wonderful. And you can see that there's 4 bunk beds. Can you imagine being a kid and getting to hang out here with your friends or your cousins? Or if you rented the place. I am going to link it in the description box if you're interested. Okay, so leaving the bunk room, you have this area out here where you can hang out. But first, we're going to go into number 1 guest room down here. And this is beautiful. King-size bed, closet, bathroom. And this is our room, the Bear Run. She named each room. So this is Bear Run. This is the room Scott and I were in. Super comfy. And we have a bathroom here that we share with that other bedroom, but nobody was there, of course. And that bedroom was named Ski Patrol. And this is a little mini bar area with a fridge and everything. And you can hang out here with your friends. That happens to be a ski that belonged to her husband when he was a kid. Sled. Okay, we're going fast. Here is a map on the wall. And this room was called Powwow Path, which I thought was adorable. So now this is an area. You come in through the garage right there, and you can leave your stuff and leave your shoes and keep the house clean. I love that aspect. All right, so we're going up to the main floor, and you see the front door right there. And you come in through the front door, and this is what you see. The stairs right there. And this is the owner's closet where they leave their ski stuff and boots and everything, and that's locked up when people are renting the place. Here is a half bath for the downstairs. And this is the master. Oh, nope. This is a laundry room. Really nice laundry room. Here's the master bedroom, fireplace, big TV, giant bathroom, beautiful, really fancy bathtub. And this is a steam shower. I didn't get a chance to try it, but she says it's amazing and she loves it. All right, now remember, this was not done for YouTube. This was just done for my daughter. So here's the dining room. We have stuff everywhere because they were getting ready to go biking, their helmets and everything. Here's the kitchen, beautiful kitchen. I wish we had gotten more of it. There's Scott. This is the living area, which was so cozy, and those chairs are amazing. And there's the view. So that's it. Just thought I'd give you a house tour there. I thought you would find it interesting. Okay, here we are. We're between Colorado Springs and Breckenridge. And this is a town coming up called Fairplay. But there's the view. Let me get this really zoomed in for you. And all those clouds are just laying on the mountain. And we're fixing to go through a real tall pass, but we still have the aspens. It's just stunning. I feel like I work for the Colorado Tourist Bureau, giving them free, oh man, it keeps going. I'm giving them free advertising. You must come here. windshield, y'all. We scrubbed it as hard as we could. We're getting closer. It's like going into the mountain version of Shangri-La.
It's a portal.
Yes, a portal. I wonder where the portal goes to. Okay, we're
this
going.
This is what he was talking about.
Yeah, we're going into Wilkerson Pass Summit, which means we're going to climb and then go back down. And everybody coming out of this fog. It's kind of going over us now. This is super cool. Up we go. I hate these big trucks. Oh, man. Here's our view. It's a gorgeous day today, bright and sunny, just beyond the portal. Okay, y'all, they just said how many miles? Look for elk for 5 miles. And I'm eating elk jerky while we're looking for elk. Is that crazy? Because we weren't planning it. This is a beautiful drive.
Give me like 2 feet of slack. Good. When you get to the top, it's up.
Okay, y'all, we've just left Garden of the Gods. We hiked in it for an hour and a half, had a great time. We're on the way out, and we didn't realize it still goes on and on forever. This Jeep doesn't have a lot of windshield space. Oh, I love the trees here, they're so cool. And so now we're treating ourselves to Rudy's Barbecue. And then we're heading to the top of Pikes Peak. We're not sure which mountaintop it is, but we're going to 14,000 feet. And it's a beautiful day. It was super cloudy down below, but now we're gonna see it in all its glory, I hope. This is getting a little bit scary. There she is, I think. Okay, I'm so sorry about the windshield, y'all. But as we're driving right now, oh, our first snow sighting of today. This is reminding me of the Long Long trailer. And we're in a short little Jeep, and it still feels long. And I don't even want to tell you what's over that ridge. We're 3 miles high. Now can't see it, but it's nothing but air. Oh, look at those rocks. Wow. Oh my gosh. Scott, please quit looking out the window. Please look. Oh, we're in a safe spot here. We're about to be above the tree line. I'll have to edit most of this out, but I don't care. Hey y'all, I just saw the cars of where we're going. We're gonna be on that road. I don't think you can see this. That's the road. I know. Oh my gosh. Am I getting old? Because this is a little bit frightening. Oh, we're so close. Okay, y'all, this is what the floor of heaven looks like. Oh man, I wish you could get the perspective. Okay. I have never been afraid of this kind of stuff because I've always been always been a kid. There's the road we were on. Oh good, a guardrail. Oh good. Oh good. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Okay, when we come back, we're going to be on that side, on the edge.
You sure will.
Oh no. Okay. Okay, y'all, we're here. Okay, we're on our way back down. A little bit out of breath from the high altitude, but